10 equals to 80. And next, 3 plus 3 equals to 6. And 80 plus 6 equals to 86.
Very good. Next number. Very good.
Next one.
Wow, very good. Next na one. Number 6. Do it alone.
Okay. We have to write 50. And next, we are gonna write a 1 over there. And next is 17. We have to put 10 there. And next, we should put a 7 there.
Okay, and then
And then next, we have to do 50 plus 10 equals to 60. Now, 1 plus 7 equals to 8.
Total
Next is 60 plus 8
Equals?
equals to 68.
very good.